What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to do the HDR video editing in CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can open this CapCut, and here I'm accessing it with my Android phone. And is there any of you that had ever tried the HDR effect when you take a photo with your camera, and what's the result guys? So usually if you use the HDR effect or the HDR setting, the picture or the results gonna be more detailed, and also the contrast being enhanced, and also maybe the picture from the dark usually can be more visible, brighter, and also it will enhance the color into the picture guys. So surprisingly, you can also create it into the video editing in this CapCut. So you can try to open this new project, and you can start to upload your favorite video. For example, I will choose it from this library. And for example, I will choose this one and click add. And after that, I will also remove the ending that usually placed here. And after that, to create the brightening effect, so you can actually go to this adjustment and also change the scale of this brightness guys. It is actually okay, but also there is another trick to do it guys. So you can start to click plus over here, and after that I will go to the library again, and I will choose the white picture in the category of trending. It will usually place here beside this breaking news, and click add. And after that, you can select this white picture, and you can click the overlay to put it in the second layer of this picture, and also extend or lengthen the duration as same as this video or this clip. And after that, keep this picture or this white picture being selected, and go to this splice. And after that, you can click this overlay, and this will be the effect of the HDR we have. So you can adjust the splice effect or this overlay effect. For example, change the scale here to become 70 for example. And after that, you can start to continue to do the adjustment for this video. Let's say to make it the color to more popped up and also more clear. So for the brightness, I guess it is enough. And also the contrast, you can also play with this. For example, I will put it to become 15, and for the saturation you can also play with this. I guess it's gonna be 10. And the brilliance, you can also play with this too, so it will create the color depth like this, but I guess it's gonna be more yellow. And for the sharpen, I think I will prefer to choose it to become 100 to be more focused. And after that, you can also play with this HSL, for example this yellow. I will make the tree or the forest around, gonna be more natural too. Let's say I will put it to become 50. And I will adjust it. And this will be the HDR that we can put into this clip, guys. So you can try these tips and trick, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.